Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I've just got a short video for you. I've come across a few products that have just been gathering a little bit of dust in my makeup room and I thought I'd try them out again. And also I am trying the final shade that I bought from the LOTTIE London eye foils in the shade Shady. So I hope you enjoy the video. So I didn't actually film myself applying the eyeliner as I'm not the best at it and it does take me such a long time to do it. So I used the Kat Von D tattoo liner and this is what it looks like. So this is the finishing look that I've got for you. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also make sure you comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also head over to my Instagram account and also head over to my Twitter account. And until next time, take care.